Okay, I'm just going to show you if you have a co-teacher or someone who needs to grade Schoology assignments, you need to add them to the folder that shows up in your drive. So this is the drive that's linked to my Cami account for school, and you can see I've already shared it with some people, but I did forget one person, so I'm going to share that with, okay, Mr. Orlando. And let's say just going to say we will be using Cami assignments. All right, and I'm going to click send. All right, again, any fellow teacher that you need to have access to this folder, you're going to have to share it with them. Otherwise, they won't be able to see the student assignments. Okay, so that's going to be important. You want them to be able to see it. Okay, so I'm just going to check who I'm sharing with. Okay, and all right, there we go. All set. You could change either to view or edit, and that's it. Real simple.